Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start about the ratio and proportion. Ratio. What is ratio? Ratio of the two quantities having same unit and of the same kind. दोनों की एक ही टाइप के होने चाहिए और यूनिट दोनों की सेम होनी चाहिए. इज द फ्रैक्शन, जो कि एक फ्रैक्शन ही होती है, with if the ratio is to b can be write as a upon b or as a ratio b, where a is known as the first term and b is known as the second term, or the antecedent or the consequent are the names. So this is the ratio. Now we will learn some applications in which form we can use this ratio. We can consider one important rule, that if a ratio b, we have any ratio, so which can be write a upon b, or you can say that we can multiply by any constant value to both the ratios. हम दोनों रेशियोज को किसी भी कांस्टेंट वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So then the ratio never be change, or we can divide by any constant value. हम इनको डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं. Now the example first. Question is express 75 ratio 125 in simplest form. So if we want to solution express in the simplest form, means is the standard form. Since 75 ratio 125, both the terms can be cancelled by 25, so you can cancel them directly without any explanation, or you can express it as the fraction form, or then you can cancel. Means the same thing. So no need to express it in the fraction form. आप डायरेक्ट दोनों टर्म्स को आप लिखेंगे. Since the given ratio (75 ratio 125) और दोनों को हम 25 से कैंसिल कर देंगे, तो यू गेट द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द रेशियो. सो द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म of ratio is 3:5. So this is the rule. We can cancel the number. Next example, the number by which we are cancelling is the HCF of both the numbers. So you can find the HCF of both the number, first and second, then you can cancel or divide both the number by the HCF of two number. Next question, this is example 2. Daily pocket expenses of A and B are expenses of A. हम सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे, हमें लिखेंगे expenses by A is equal to ₹60. Expenses by B is equal to ₹75. What is the ratio of their expenses in the simplest form? Both the expenses of both person is in rupees, so we can show the ratio. Both have the same unit, so we can write them 60:75. Now 15 can cancel both the number. I know very well. If you don't know, so for that, by which number you can cancel them, you can use this method and find their HCF. हम उनका HCF फाइंड कर लेंगे. 15 से 60 को डिवाइड कर देंगे 4. So 15 is the HCF. So you can cancel or divide both the number by 15. दोनों नंबर को हम 15 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So directly here, if you know, then there is no problem. 15 4 ja, 15 5 ja. So required ratio in simplest form is equal to 4:5. Next example number 3. The different type of the ratios of the number, and each example number 3rd. First part, there are 3 parts. 1 ratio, 1/4 ratio, 1/6, and we have to express in the simplest form. So how to express it in the simplest form? You take the LCM. LCM of the diameter 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is 12. You know very well how to find the LCM. Now you can divide or you can multiply both the ratios by their HCF. LCM. दोनों के LCM को हम उनके दोनों जो हमारे पास टर्म्स हैं, you can multiply each term by the LCM, their LCM of the diameter. Now you can cancel 4 3 ja, 6 2 ja. So the required ratio in simplest form, ये आपकी simplest form होगी. Required ratio in simplest form. Simplest form means there will be no common factor after this. ये आपका आंसर होगा. नेक्स्ट पार्ट है, देयर आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द रेशियोज. सेकेंड पार्ट आपका है, सेकेंड पार्ट 8:1/3 रेशियो 6 और 1/4. वी कैन रिड्यूस them in the improper form. 8 3 जा 24 और 125/3. रेशियो 6 4 जा 25/4. First we take the LCM. LCM of their diameter. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So multiply both the ratios by 12. Ratio 12 multiply 25/4. Cancel कर देंगे. 3 4 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12. तो we get 4 multiply 25. Ratio 3 multiply 25. 25 can be cancelled to each other. So get the ratio as 4:3. So required ratio is 4:3. Next question, which is in decimal form. This is the third part. So now we will learn when the ratio in decimal form, how to express it in the simplest form. 8.5:10. So what you do? Remove the decimal first. So we can write 85/10 ratio 10/1. So now the LCM is equal to 10. So 10 से दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 10 multiply 85/10 रेशियो 10 multiply by 10. 10 से 10 कैंसिल हो गया. We get 85 ratio 10 10 जा 100. Now you can cancel both the number by 5. So required ratio is 17:20 in simplest form. Now the example number 4. These are the 3 part of the example 3rd. Only one part. Example 4, first part. 2. Find the ratio. Find ratio of first 2 meter to 24 centimeter. You can see both the number how the here have the different units, so we have to make them in the same unit. So it is easy to convert the larger unit into smaller. So first number you can write, first number is equal to 2 meter is equal to 2 multiply 100. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. Other number, other is equal to 24 centimeter. So now both have the same unit. So required ratio 200 रेशियो 24, दोनों को कैंसिल कर देंगे. 4 can cancel 50, 8 can cancel both the number, 25 8 जा 8 3 जा 8 2 जा 16, 4 carry 8 5 जा 40 is equal to 25 ratio 3 answer. So thank you.